Hello folks, I thought I'd do a wee video of how I feel like being a Scotsman abroad. I find that with an accent like mine, a very working class, kind of thick accent, it's quite hard to communicate what you want sometimes, and sometimes you end up with the wrong thing for what you asked. It happens quite often. I was actually surprised, right in the middle of Gstaad. I was in a Gstaad palace, and there was a waitress that was serving me. Her English was really good, and she could actually understand me, no problem. I was quite shocked at that. It was only about the second person that I'd met that came close. Well, she was really good. But a lot of places just did not have a clue what I was talking about. One place I ordered a fondue and ordered pasta for Jacqueline. And my fondue came out, and I'd ordered a starter, and my fondue and my starter came out. They brought a knife and fork out for Jacqueline, but they didn't bring her any food. So, aye, it's a bit difficult, I would say. I try to lose my accent, I try to tone it down, but it isn't easy. So I might do a video, well, do a series of videos of me trying to lose my accent. So, the other time that really sticks out was in Lake Garda. Now, I'd been warned about this, that the way the Italians do it is a bit mental. So, you've got is it antipasti? I can never remember how to pronounce it. You get antipasti, you get prime plate, you get secondary plate, then you get dessert. So, you're left wondering, but am I meant to get two plates, a prime plate and a secondary plate? But what do you do, you know? So, I was in this restaurant and I thought, I'm going to try lobster. I've never tried lobster. So I tried lobster, and it was like lobster and tagliatelle. So I'd ordered that for the prime plate. The picture I saw, it didn't look like a lot. The second plate, pork cutlet and chips. So out comes the lobster with the tagliatelle and a bowl of chips. I'm like, right, okay, that's bigger than what I thought. There's no way I'm going to eat all that lobster and tagliatelle and all the chips. It was just too much. So I did what I could, and my mum and my wife, they ate some of the chips. So then my second plate comes out, the pork cutlet with chips and another bowl of chips. When I'd only asked for the tagliatelle and lobster tagliatelle and pork cutlet and chips. So I ended up with 3 portions of chips. Mental. What the hell did he think I was going to do with all them chips? I must have thought I was going to split it, but even then, if you look at Jacqueline, she's just a wee thing, you know. Mental. So yes, an accent like mine abroad is a struggle, but what can you do? As an aside, talking about lobsters, did you know that prisoners used to get fed lobsters? I don't know what country that was in. I'm assuming America or something like that, but there was an abundance of lobsters, and they would feed it to prisoners, and prisoners would actually complain that they kept getting lobster, and I think it just got farmed so much that lobster became a lot rarer and more of a luxury. So that's a wee brief history of lobster. Can you imagine prisoners now? Or they'd be desperate for lobster, I'd imagine. Oh, my alarm's going. What's that, 5? Didn't realise the time when talking and talking. But lobster, I thought it was alright, but anyway. Sometimes you learn wee facts on this channel. I'll try and fit wee facts in where I can. Mostly I'll just be ad-libbing things and showing you things as I go. Anyway, so I'm just going to go now. So thanks very much. Please like, subscribe and share. It would really help the channel out, and leave a wee comment. Thank you. Bye bye.